Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
A Russian doctor shows us the ultimate remedy for problems with the vision. Many people experience issues with the vision. Weak eyesight is usually associated with either nearsightedness, called myopia, or farsightedness, called hyperopia. These conditions can be caused by various factors, including genetics, poor nutrition, aging and excessive strain on the eyes. Therefore, as the most common symptoms are listed, blurry vision, frequent headaches, and watery eyes. However, a popular doctor and surgeon, Vladimir Petrovich Filatov, has discovered a remedy which will help to improve the vision. In the 60s, Filatov advised his patients to try his alternative medicine along with their medical treatment. So, the following remedy can improve the vision and prevent further complications. The remedy is known as vitamin balm and it is extremely easy to make. Furthermore, it has proven to be extremely effective and beneficial. Here's the recipe. Vitamin balm recipe. Ingredients: 300 grams of honey, 500 grams of crushed walnuts, squeezed juice of 3-4 lemons, 100 grams of aloe vera juice, aloe arborescent. Instructions: first and foremost, you should prepare the aloe vera juice. Remove the upper, middle and lower leaves of the plant. Then, wash the rest of it, the 3/4 leaves and its top with cooled boiled water in order to remove the spikes. Next, chop it into small pieces, and strain the juice with double gauze. Thus, make sure you don't chop the leaves immediately but leave them on a plate in the fridge for 10-12 days. Next, mix the aloe vera juice with all the other ingredients. You should consume 1 tablespoon of this vitamin balm 3 times a day. Therefore, make sure you always consume it 30 minutes before meals. Note: do not use this remedy if you have an acute kidney disease, gastrointestinal tract issue, hemorrhoids, tuberculosis, inflammation in the female reproductive organs, and cardiovascular problems. Moreover, don't consume this remedy if you are in the last trimester of the pregnancy.